ladies and gentlemen. In this session, I would like to present our research. Our paper, part of our research, titled "The Relationship Between Local Content Education and Natural Conservation Awareness." And this research take the case study of the students of a public senior high school in Simalungun, North Sumatra. This research has a background for the awareness of the richness and beauty of nature and the culture, as well as local wisdom, has begun to fade among the younger generations of the Simalungun tribes in the digital era. So the research, especially to the items of the local content education and natural conservation awareness, not environmental awareness. Firstly, I would like to explain about the Simalungun district and tribe. The Simalungun is a district in the province of North Sumatra, Indonesia. This district is home to the Simalungun Batak people, and this Simalungun has two parts of the area. So it leads to differences of the natural and society conditions of Simalungun, and that has led to the classification of the tribe of Simalungun. So there are two sub-tribes of Simalungun. They are Simalungun Atas and Simalungun Bawah. So the objective of this research is finding the relationship between impression and appreciation of local traditions through local content education and the natural conservation awareness of students of the public senior high school in Simalungun. As I just said before, in this research, the respondents are the students for the sub-tribe of Simalungun Bawah, especially. This research used the quantitative method, and the respondents amounted 75 students of Simalungun Bawah sub-tribe in the public senior high school, and the research used the questionnaires about impression and appreciation of local content education and natural conservation awareness. Both questionnaires have 5  likes each. And all questionnaires measure the degree of agreement of the students to the items stated in them using the Likert scale, 1 to 5. They are 1, strongly disagree, 2, disagree, 3, neutral, 4, agree, and 5, strongly agree. The questionnaire about the local content education was constructed from various sources. One of them is qualitative method and adaptation from several questionnaires in several research, such as identitas budaya pada mahasiswa Batak Toba yang kuliah di Medan, contextual teaching and learning using local content material on students' reading comprehension at a junior high school in Indonesia, implications of cultural values and character of local wisdom in the implementation of local government, and the implementation of local content curriculum of English for elementary school in Surakarta, Indonesia, and other several references. And sorry, it's not environmental awareness. The questionnaire is about the natural conservation awareness, but the reference for the adaptation, mostly the same, but there are additional, like several additionals, like raising students' awareness about nature conservation from the park to the city. So these are the research result. So the local content education, they have corrected item CITC 0.6646, Cronbach alpha 0.8182. So and the natural conservation awareness, they've got 0.5972 and 0.771. So we can say that both questionnaires are valid and reliable. The local content education got the result for scale both questionnaires, local content education and natural conservation awareness. For scale 1, it doesn't have the choosers. The scale 2 for local content education, they got 1.86%. Scale 3, 10.12. Scale 4, 53.88. And scale 5, 34.16%. So we can say that scale 4 is most chosen. As well as the natural conservation awareness, the scale 4 is the most chosen. It has got 47.46%, followed by scale 5, 44.26%, whilst the scale 2 and scale 3 only got 0.62% and 8%. So we can say both of the questionnaires are most chosen in scale 4. And interestingly, the correlation between the two questionnaires got positive correlation in a high level. So for the two tested variables is very significant, with the probability of error p-value less than or equal to 0.01 or 1% if we assume no correlation. This indicates a strong relationship between the two variables for both questionnaires. From the results, we can say that the first questionnaire about the local content education, we can say that the respondents have good impression and appreciation for the local content education. And for the second questionnaire, for the natural conservation awareness, the respondents have acquired levels for the awareness of natural conservation. From the statistical measurement analysis, the understanding of the local content education has a positive correlation with the, I mean natural conservation awareness, not environmental awareness. And we can say that for the cultural learning from local content education, which contains many touches of the surrounding nature, the learning about the importance of preserving nature is most likely included in it. We can conclude that from this research that from several particular values of local content education of Simalungun bawah culture, the students can also improve their other values, especially the value of the importance of conserving the nature awareness. And we can say from this research that a group of people in this research, high school students, if given a good understanding of the tradition, will be able to practice the values contained within it well. And if we consider the conserving the nature awareness is a universal value in this research, we can say that taking part of the learning in the local content education can internalize one or more universal values related with it. We use many references, but these are just several of them. I think that's all from me.